Hi guys, so I have popped to Home Bargains because you know what I'm like, I can't stay out of the bargain stores. So I did go about a week ago, but I haven't filmed it because I've just been so tired lately. I don't know what it is, maybe it's going back work, everything catching up with me. But I felt like I had the energy today, and I've got stuff in here that I'm waiting to use, but I wanted to show you guys first. They had amazing Easter stuff in, absolutely amazing Easter and Mother's Day bits in. I could have spent a small fortune, but honestly my house cannot hold that much decor. So yeah, I have been good, but I did get a few bits, so let's go on into the video. So the first thing that I picked up were these eggs, and this is probably like my most favourite item that I've bought this time. They are like all these muted tone colours with like the splash effect on, like speckled effect. And my plan is to hang these either on the stairs, because my stairs are in my living room, or by the telly. I just thought they'd look brilliant for Easter, and I've heard a few people say that these are like rip-off of the White Company ones, which I imagine are way more expensive than the Home Bargain ones. I believe these were 99p. Unfortunately I've lost my receipt because I actually paid on my phone, so yeah, I have got no idea. I've looked high and low before filming the video, so I'll try and remember the prices, but if not, I think the whole shop came to about £40. So yeah, I feel like the stuff in there today was like very affordable. But yeah, I'm very excited about those. From the Mother's Day section I picked up these sweeties, and my daughter absolutely loves sweets, so she'll be having these no doubt, and they are just in a little flower shape, and they're just jelly ones, and I just thought, oh, they're really cute. You know, if you're just gonna, like, I don't know, I'd use these as a bit of a gift bulker for Mother's Day, or even if you've got a friend's birthday coming up. I don't know, they look like they're going to be very tasty, and they look like when you open the bag they're going to smell nice, you know, that like old-fashioned sweet smell. So yeah, I don't know what like fruit flavour they are, but I imagine they're just going to be a mix of like orange and lemon probably. Also got some essentials because we keep having colds in this house, like it's non-stop. It's not season, to be honest. And they had these really cute tissue boxes in, which were quite Valentine's-y at the time, but obviously that's passed. But I thought these were just very pretty. It's normally hard to find tissue boxes that you don't mind being out on display, and yeah, I really like these. They are the Softly Make ones, so they're a little bit cheaper. I want to say they were no more than 99p each, and yeah, because of how many colds we're having at the moment, no doubt we'll be needing another couple of boxes of those in literally a few weeks time. Well, actually no, maybe this could be my favourite thing of the haul. I don't know. There was just so much beautiful stuff in there, but I picked up this Easter wreath. How pretty is this? Oh my goodness, they did have this in pink as well, and you know I love pink, but there was something about this sage green, mind you know I love sage green as well, something about the green colour that just really drew me to it. I think I'm actually going to hang this on the front door, because our downstairs is all open plan. We don't really have any doors downstairs apart from the one in, but like through the porch, and that's already got a wreath on it, so I think I'm going to use this one outside. And this was only, I think it was £2.99 or £3.99, but I think I have got a clip with it on, so hopefully you'll be able to see the prices. But just look at the detail on it, with the little flowers, the little polka dot dress on the bunny, and I saw that, and I saw like all the like rusticy twiggy effect. I thought, I'm not leaving it, I've got to have it. Did also pick up some chocolates in these like ladybird design. Yeah, my daughter picked these up, so she was gonna pick like a hot chocolate bomb set, but then she went for these in the end, and I think these were 99p, and yeah, these are just lots of loved ones. I don't know if these are from the Mother's Day or the Valentine's section. I reckon the Mother's Day, because they're ladybirds, and I feel like because Mother's Day is in spring, it's always quite spring inspired. So I got some cakes. My daughter couldn't walk past these without having them, and to be fair, we needed some for the house, and again I think these were 99p. No doubt we'll both want the pink one, so we'll probably have one each of those and then share the rest. But yeah, they're just fairy cakes, aren't they? I feel like with kids you can't go wrong with fairy cakes. And my youngest daughter's birthday is coming up, I can't believe it. She is going to be 1 next week, and yeah, I mean, it doesn't feel that long ago really that I was in hospital having her. And she absolutely loves Teletubbies, so I'm going to do a Teletubby themed birthday. And well, it was that choice between having like an aesthetic theme that was very, you know, trendy, or having a theme that she likes. And I was like, no, she's gonna have Teletubbies because that's what she wants. Although there was part of me that was like, oh, let's do a nice muted like theme. No, we're going full out bright colours, and I thought this balloon art would be absolutely perfect for that theme. So it's got all those sort of like very vibrant colours, red, yellows, greens, blues. It's got like sequin balloons in, and I believe this was like £2 something or £3.20. These are so cheap from Home Bargains. So I used one before for my eldest daughter's birthday. I put a clip in and they're amazing. So it just comes with the balloons, the balloon tape, and it also comes with a balloon pump, I believe. Yeah, it includes a balloon pump and 54 balloons, which is amazing. The only thing that it doesn't come with is like hooks to hook it onto your wall. So what I recommend is getting the mini command clips. Hopefully I'll be able to put, I think we've got some in, so I'll be able to screenshot them and put them on here for you so that you can see them. And then I use any excess of the balloon ribbon to like cut them back over, and yeah, works perfectly. So my plan is I'm going to have this between the living room and the dining room like I did before. My eldest, we had like an L shape where I'm just going to go across the top this time, and then I'm going to print off some Teletubby faces and like hang it down. I'm going to get my eldest to like colour them in ready for her birthday. So yes, I'm very excited to do that, although it's hard work blowing up all those balloons. I tell you, last time I got a right sweat on, but my eldest daughter's birthday is in August and it was like one of the hottest days of the year. And then to match that, I've gone for this polka dot table cover because I just thought, I don't know, I just thought it'd make the room look a little bit more kiddish. Obviously it's very grown up at the moment, and I just thought, yeah, that would be perfect for the theme. And it's got all the same sorts of colours in the polka dots as well. I can't remember how much that was, but it wasn't very expensive. Then in terms of plates, we are going full on bright colours. So we have got this theme that they do in Home Bargains. So I've got 2 of those because I've just got people coming around for cake. We might have like a McDonald's tea, to be honest, because both girls love that. And then I've got the matching napkins as well. Now they did have in Home Bargains like a very pretty unicorn set, which my eldest daughter loved, but I just know that my youngest is going to love the bright colours because they just do at that age, don't they? So that is the plan for her birthday. We also got some mini eggs from the Easter section. They had loads of Easter chocolate and stuff already in, so if you like to buy it early, I just don't even know when it is this year, it could be early on. Yeah, you can get sorted. And also if you want mini eggs, especially for baking, get them now, because last year we left it too late and there's like a mini egg shortage, wasn't there? You couldn't get them anywhere. So yeah, I have got some to satisfy me. I'm not going to bake with them now, I'm just going to eat them because you just can't beat them at this time of year. Mind you, I do love a cream egg as well, but I did hold off from those for now. I got some of my favourite foundation, and it is the Wet n Wild one. They only had the medium one in, and I swear the best colour for me is the light medium. It's like the shade below this one. It's only 99p, absolutely love it. I mix it with my Primark foundation just to like line it up so I can get like the right skin tone depending on how much fake tan I'm wearing. So yeah, I really recommend it. The only issue with this is, I would say, the actual bottle. Like sometimes the foundation doesn't want to come out, and then you like shake it down and then it just like explodes out. So the bottle isn't the best, so just be very wary of it, because I don't know how many times I've got a big like blob of it on my cream carpet and have to get the Dr. Beckman out. But yeah, I couldn't recommend the actual product itself enough. Like I was saying about tissues, I just picked up this pack of tissues. So you get how many in here? You get 10 in here, so yeah, that will last us a while, because do you know, it's like in my handbags and stuff, I never have a pack of tissues, and one of my girls or me like always needs one. My hubby's actually very good at making sure he has tissues on him, and I need to take a leaf out of his book, to be honest. So I've got some more of those napkins because yeah, we've got quite a few people like popping around to see it, especially because it's her first birthday, so I just want to make sure that we've got, I'd rather have too many like plates and napkins than not enough. And then I did get 2 of these Peppa Pig bottles because these are super cute. So I was initially only gonna get one for my youngest, because we just do not have enough cups at the minute. I feel like there's always like 2 or 3 in the wash, and she'll always have like one like water cup and one milk cup. But I ended up getting 2. I don't know where the other one is actually. Oh, it's here. Because my eldest was with me, and you'll know if you watch my Primark video, I was talking about knowing when to buy 2 things. I'm still not in that mindset yet. And she really loves Peppa Pig, so I ended up getting her one as well. She's a bit older and she has been moving on to normal cups, but she does still have quite a few spillages, and when it's milk it's just easier to put it in these cups sometimes. So yeah, it depends what sort of day she's having with her with her cups. So yeah, these are going to be their milk cups. I think they were quite expensive actually. Well, I thought they were expensive. I think they were like £3 something, and obviously like non-branded ones are so much cheaper, but you know, sometimes you just got to get what they like. No, one of the things has fell off the wreath. I'll have to stick that back on. That is my fault though, because it's just been shoved at the bottom of the bag and obviously it's been left. I've got some of these pizza bases. These are so much cheaper from Home Bargains than the supermarkets, and when we're running out of stuff at the end of the week, I mean, we've always got cheese in, we've always got tomato puree, and then we'll always have like mushrooms and tomatoes and stuff left over. So it's just like a really quick, easy, healthy-ish meal to have. And yeah, I just really like it. And to be honest with you, I prefer to make my own pizza toppings than buying the bought ones sometimes, because I don't know, I always feel like they have very generic flavours. But then again, we've been shopping at different supermarkets and I have been enjoying the ranges, because we shopped at Lidl for so long. I think you just get sick of like eating the same foods, don't you? But we've been shopping at Morrison's and Sainsbury's and different places, because we're doing a click and collect now, just because I just do not have time to go to the supermarkets at the weekend. Now I'm working and juggling kids and everything. It's like exciting, but I did buy some of these sponge scourers. I think these were the more expensive ones. They're like the thicker ones. I do prefer getting the more expensive ones of these because they do last a bit longer, and like the handle bit is like thicker. I don't know, I just feel like they are better for scrubbing than the cheaper ones, although I do get the cheap ones as well. So also got some of my trusty toothpaste. Always go for the Fresh and Minty Aquafresh, as you know. Yeah, and then I couldn't leave Dottie out, so I got this little elephant toy, and it makes it's not like a really squeaky noise, it's like a low noise. I thought that was like less irritating than a high-pitched squeaky one. She's got this squeaky ball at the minute, and oh my god, it's like ear-piercingly squeaky, do you know what I mean? So yeah, hopefully she'll like playing with this one more than the ball. And oh, I just got another few, well, I've got another couple of toothpaste, another big one for us and then a little one for my girls. And then I did watch a TikTok video on these toothpaste, because you get this one, which is the milk teeth one that says 0 to 2, and then there's like a, is it 3 to 4 one, and honestly they just put different ages on it. It's got the same amount of fluoride in, which is what actually cleans your teeth, I believe. So yeah, I don't think it actually matters on the age that they put on there. Also got myself a tanning mitt because I just need a spare one, because my other one just got gross really quickly. And I saw this one and I thought, oh, I'll give it a go. It's not a brand that I've ever tried before. I have a certain brand that I like, which I shared in, I think, my last B&M video. It's only one-sided, I think. Is it this one? Let's have a look. Yeah. Oh, do you know what? It says it includes PVC glove. Now, I never take that as a good sign, because it might mean that the tan actually goes through the tanning mitt, which isn't good. But we will see. We'll try and use it. I'm very picky when it comes to tanning gloves, because I've had some where it makes you really patchy. So yeah, sometimes it's not actually the tan, it's the tanning glove. Picked up this trusty Buffalo Triple Power kitchen, oh, what is it? Oh, my volume days as well. Something just like my head, my mind, my body. It's just, I swear it's not all there in a minute. Kitchen roll. And this is £3 something, and yeah, I do like this one. I feel like it soaks up quite a lot, and it is so expensive, by the way, if you buy it from Sainsbury's or Morrison's, like begrudgingly expensive, because we have to have it in, because we're always spilling stuff. So yeah, definitely get it from the bargain stores when I can. Then these have been opened, so we've got quavers and also chicken crisps. Oh my god, I love roast chicken. I haven't started on them yet, but I find it really hard to just have one pack of these, so maybe I shouldn't have got them. My favourite are those Sensation roast chicken ones. Oh, you can't beat them. They are so moist. I could literally have the whole bag to myself. They are amazing. But yeah, got these ones because they are they like 2 for £2.80 or 2 for £3.80? There is a deal in Home Bargains with like the branded crisps, and I know cheaper crisps are okay, but they don't hit the same, do they, as the branded ones. The final item of this haul, it's actually from Poundland, because I did pop into Poundland as well, and it is the Pep & Co vest for little girls. So my daughter just needed some more, so I got the 3 to 4, and they've got all unicorns on, which she and her friends, oh my goodness, they're so obsessed with unicorns at the moment. My daughter literally carries a unicorn around the house with her. She's either wearing them, carrying one, playing with the toy unicorn. So yeah, just they're loving it at the moment. So I thought I can't go wrong with them. And how much were they? They were only £3. £3 for 3, which I think is really good. I noticed in Pep & Co, their clothing section, I did include it on my last come shop with me, they have got some amazing stuff in there, so definitely go and check it out. I think their prices are actually better than some of the Primark prices at the moment. So yeah, really good. I don't know, I might do a haul from there, because I'm just so intrigued, and I would love to know how the stuff washes. A couple of you said that it does actually wash nicely, so yeah, I might go and treat myself to some bits next month. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys are all okay and not suffering from all the illnesses that we've been suffering from. I swear everything is going around at the moment. But yeah, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.